So the first day of winter is right around the corner, and we're going to be making some winter containers at my mom's house. So we're taking the flowers from our house and headed to my mom's house to create these planters.
We're just going around the corner.
So the first step in your planters is you're going to remove your existing plants. So we're going to carefully dig this up. Now to the super fun part, we're going to start planting, and we're going to start with our focal and then add in these gorgeous filler flowers. Okay, so now we have our peppers here. Our peppers are going to serve as our spillers, okay? So we're going to have our peppers spilling out. And since we only have 2 of them and we have 2 planters, we're going to plant 1 pepper in each. Okay, we're just going to loosen up our plant here by massaging the pot. And Nina, she has her gloves on because we are dealing with peppers. So see how good that slides out? We're gonna loosen up the roots a little bit. So Nina has an idea here. We do have 3 individual pepper plants here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what we're gonna do is do the same method, which is to massage our plant and break these up too. So gotta carefully break these up because don't want to mess up the peppers. They're so beautiful. Mom. So how do you feel about your planters?
I love my new planters.
Did you learn anything new about planting?
I learned lots of things.
Okay, what did you learn?
I learned to first remove the old florals,
Mm-hmm.
go all the way to make sure all roots are removed,
Mm-hmm.
loosen up the soil,
Okay.
and then prepare to plant your new plants.
All right. Yay! So we planted up Mom's winter planters. See you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I'm wishing you guys peace,
love, and flowers.
See you guys in the next video. Please support the channel by giving us a thumbs up.